Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will be talking about how to crack interview. Many of my friends and my colleagues are having a interview or will be having an interview in about a period little bit. So I will be discussing about the interview experience of IBM because I have gone through the process. I have cleared that also, right? So I can discuss in detail. IBM will take one interview only. There will be a single round. Okay, in that what will mainly they focus is something that is all of you will must have, that is your resume. You should have a strong command on your resume. Whatever you do, whatever you take is something that is very important, right? So make sure to write all those points in which you have ideas or in depth. If suppose you write one language, that you have that particular language and you don't have too much idea, so if a interviewer will ask you that question, in that you will be facing very much difficulty. And remember one thing, expression will always speak. If you are not well good in that particular question, then your expression will always speak, right? So you will be facing difficulty in interview. Okay, so I have been gone through four different kinds of interviews, right, in many different options, opportunities, right? So I can tell you what I came to know, that first of all the thing that they want to see is your confidence level. If you are confident, then they have a thinking that yes, he can or she can definitely handle our pressures and all, handle a client's requirement. That is actually what they want to see, right? If when you are connecting with client, you need to be confident enough, right? So that's what they look for interviewers. Okay, they look for what? They look for your confidence, how confident you are. They will look for that. And now the most important thing to add in your resume is something that I would like to say is that your project, what project you have done in the final year, right? And what are the trainings that you have taken. That is also important factor. Apart from that, if you have done any certification, you can add that too. And also if you have a command in language, you can discuss this, you can mention that also, right? So that's all about the interview. It won't be too difficult if you are confident enough. First of all, the important thing is that you need to be confident. When you are presenting yourself in front of the interviewer, you have to show your confidence level that yes, I deserve this opportunity. And trust me, interview is in your hands. If you are confident enough and you are saying whatever you know, that may not be the positive, they may not be sure that you need to know exactly, but you have to have some idea, right? So that's what they will be looking for. They will be looking for each and everything, right? So that's all from my side. I will request you to subscribe, like, comment and share on my channel. Okay, subscribe, like, share, and that's all from my side. Thank you very much. If you have any query, you can comment me. Okay, comment, I will reply each and everything. I will see for it. Okay, thank you very much. Subscribe, like.